Sending money from Australia to the UK can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. To begin, you need to determine the purpose of your transfer and the amount you want to send. This will help you choose the most suitable method for your needs. First, consider your options for transferring money. You can use a bank, a money transfer service, or an online platform. Each option has its own fees, exchange rates, and transfer times. Banks often have higher fees and less competitive exchange rates, while money transfer services and online platforms can offer better deals. Next, gather the necessary information. You will need the recipient's name, address, and bank details, including their account number and sort code. You will also need to provide your own identification and proof of address. Now, let's look at the step-by-step process. Step 1. Choose your transfer method and create an account if necessary. Step 2. Enter the recipient's details and the amount you want to send. Step 3. Review the exchange rate and fees. Step 4. Confirm the transfer and pay for it. Step 5. Track the transfer and wait for the recipient to receive the funds. When choosing a transfer method, consider the fees and exchange rates. Look for a service that offers competitive rates and low fees. Some popular options include TransferWise, PayPal, and OFX. These services often have user-friendly websites and mobile apps, making it easy to send money on the go. To get the best exchange rate, consider using a service that offers a mid-market rate. This is the rate you see on currency websites and is often more competitive than the rates offered by banks. Also, be aware of any additional fees, such as transfer fees or recipient fees. In conclusion, sending money from Australia to the UK is a relatively simple process. By choosing the right transfer method, gathering the necessary information, and following the step-by-step process, you can ensure a smooth and cost-effective transfer. Always compare fees and exchange rates before making a transfer, and consider using a service that offers competitive rates and low fees.